Hey guys, I want to touch on a subject today that ran across my mind when I came in here to make a video previously, and it's kind of important, and I didn't realize it, didn't even think about it until I sat down with the guitar. And it probably affects you, especially if you're a beginner, because most beginners, like I was, become guitar collectors to start with. We really like that guitar we're looking at, it's really pretty, it's really cool, let's buy it. And then we see another one and we think, wow, that thing's really cool, it's really pretty, I gotta have it. And next thing you know, we end up with 10 guitars. No, I don't have 10 guitars, but we end up with 10 guitars. But I learned something that's very important and I'm gonna bring it to you. So let's do this. Alright guys, so what I talked about in the intro was that I ran across something today when I sat down with my guitar to make a video that I think is important, especially for the beginners out here. I didn't realize it when I was a way back beginner and I was just starting this guitar journey, and I kind of got a little bit of what they call gas. Now, I don't mean like gas, I mean guitar acquisition syndrome or gear acquisition syndrome. Now, what does that mean? Well, that means that I buy a guitar and I make a little progress and there I go. I'm scrolling Facebook Marketplace, I'm looking at Guitar Center and woo, found one, it's pretty and I really like it. I'd like to own it. So I bought it. So I ended up with different guitars. Now, this is a Fesley and the Fesley calls this an LP copy, Les Paul copy. But in reality, it's more like an ESP LTD copy because of the way the knobs are. It doesn't have 4 knobs like a Les Paul does. It's a little bit different, but it's a great playing guitar. But this wasn't the first one I bought. The first one I bought was an acoustic, and then one day I said, I really want to try electric, and so the journey began. But if you watched my last video, you saw me make it with this guitar. Now this is a great playing guitar. It's amazing for what it is, and you can actually get the Stars and Stripes model on Amazon right now. Today is March something, 25th or something like that. But you can get that model right now for 99 bucks. 99 bucks. This was 139 when I bought it. It started out at 179, so it's coming down. But this is an amazing playing guitar. All black, black flat, 2 volumes, 1 tone, humbucker pickups, brown neck, black back. Okay, so you saw me make it with this guitar. Now this is a good guitar. This is one I've been playing a lot lately. And my fingers become accustomed to this guitar. Now you've probably seen in some other videos, the guys talk about neck profile, length of the fretboard, all that. That makes a difference, especially the neck profile. And they have different shapes. They have a slim C, they have a C, they have a D, they have something that they call a baseball bat. Apparently it's pretty thick. Excuse me. But there's different neck profiles. And if you play a guitar for a while and you play, let's say I play this one for a solid week. And then I want to make a change, because we all do when it comes to playing guitars. And I reach over there and I get my Squire Telly. Now the Squire Telly, this is an excellent playing guitar as well. I love a Telly. Man, do I love a Telly. I love the sound they make. They're extremely easy to play as far as my opinion goes. Great guitar. But the neck profile is different. And when I was deciding how to make that last video, which guitar I wanted to use, I had been playing that Fesley for over a week. And this poor little Telecaster has sat in here on its stand and hadn't been played for a week. But I've been playing the other one. So most of my videos you see me make with this Telecaster. I picked it up and I started kind of going over what I wanted to show you. Problem was, it didn't sound very good. I was getting dead strings. I was getting misfingerings and things like that because my fretting hand had gotten used to the Fesley. Excuse me. I need a little drink, but I don't have one. My fretting hand had gotten used to the Fesley over the past week and not the Telecaster, and it's a different neck profile. So what I'm getting at is, I love all guitars. Man, I'd love to have 100 of them. I know you would too. You probably already got 1 or 2, unless you're an absolute beginner and you only have 1 guitar right now. But it's really addicted to buy other guitars. But what I'm getting at is this. Can switching from guitar to guitar as an early beginner hurt your progress? Absolutely it can. Sure it can, because I got used to that Fesley. I came in here, I picked up this one, and I wasn't hitting the strings right. I was getting dead strings. And it was kind of, I won't say depressing, but it was disappointing. This ain't my first day doing this. It was kind of disappointing that I was not doing as well on this guitar. So what I'm getting at, beginners, is this. And I want you to take it into consideration when you're learning. You might want to buy one guitar. I know it's tempting. Man, it's tempting to go buy another one. They're all so damn pretty. Pardon me. You might want to buy one guitar. You might want to take some time and learn on it. 6 months or something before you even think about buying another guitar. Because when you switch like that, if you do it every single day, you're hurting your progress, in my opinion. Different neck profile makes your fingers land in different places, and it can actually slow your growth. Just my thoughts. I may be completely wrong, but that's just my thoughts because of what happened to me. Anyway, guys, I hope that gives you a little food for thought. Be sure and jump over to the channel, like, subscribe, ring the little bell so you know when new videos come out. I'm trying to bring you some lessons. I'm trying to teach you guitar while I learn guitar. We're all beginners here, and I want to create a community. I want you to come join. Mistakes are not only welcome here, they are expected. So if you make mistakes, no big deal. We're going to move on. We're going to keep learning. Come join us. I think you'll like it. Until then, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.